Hello everybody, it is Monday, so the plan was originally to leave here Friday to head over to pick up the tow car. However, when I started thinking about it, if I pick up the tow car, it would have been Saturday. I wasn't able to get into the shop that can put the hitch on the bus as well as hook up the tow gear in the Element until Tuesday. So I would have had a car and Kobuk in a bus in the middle of Fresno. So I asked them if I could just wait until Tuesday morning to pick up the car. So if all goes to plan, fingers crossed, if all goes to plan, gonna purchase the car, finalize everything in the morning, test drive the car, all that good stuff, park the bus near the dealership, drive the car down to the hitch place, then get a Uber back or Lyft with Kobuk, get the bus, drive the bus down to the shop, have them set everything up, hopefully get done that Tuesday, and then start heading north to the bus fair, because that would put me Wednesday, Thursday, two days to drive. I think it was, I forget how many hours, might have been 12 hours to get from Fresno to Oak Ridge. I'll have to check on my phone real quick to make sure, but basically I'm going to have a lot of driving coming up. So the earlier I can get that done, get to the bus fair, show the rig, basically today is starting my sprint of lots of moving parts, trying to get things sorted. So we'll see how this whole thing turns out. But as you saw in previous videos, we are starting to make some progress. This spot has been amazing. I've loved it, but goodness gracious, the flies have been absolutely insane. I mean, just fly traps everywhere. Actually, last night I was sleeping and Kobuk started running back and forth, and I was like, what is happening? So I assumed it was a coyote or something outside, because we've been seeing a lot of coyotes. So I was like, Kobuk, chill bud, it's fine. So I was like, go night night. So he went back to his bed, but what happened was, where this fly trap is, he got it stuck to him, and he was running back and forth trying to get it off. When I woke up this morning, his dog bed had the fly trap stuck to it. So when I told him to go back to night night, it like stuck to this, and then he was free of it. So I'll have to remember to always take those down. But literally, like, I've killed hundreds of flies since I've been here. Drive me absolutely nuts. And I've heard people when they get to boondocking spots complain about the flies. They're like, yeah, whatever, it'll be fine. But no, like, seriously, it is so annoying. You're just sitting there trying to work, and a fly tries to fly into your mouth, and I just call an all-out jihad on these flies whenever that happens. Like, I have sandals, and I just have both sandals just like double sword, just going around killing all these flies. So I'm very excited to get out of this spot, open up the windows, let all these flies out, because they are driving me insane. But gonna finish cleaning up. There's an RV park just down the road. Gonna fill up my fresh water. Have to go by the post office. Kobuk's medicine's in, flea and tick medicine, and then we are hitting the road. Wonder Boom actually took off this morning. Not too sure where they're at, but hopefully they'll make it back. It's 8:30. I'll probably leave here probably 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. Just gotta get on the road. I got about 6 hours of driving today. I found a rest area outside of Fresno, about a half an hour-ish outside. That way I can wake up early Tuesday, get there, maybe before traffic, get the bus parked, and then take care of all the car stuff. So I'm gonna finish getting this cleaned up. Okay, so I said bye to Michael. That's his rig right there. Gonna be missing out on saying bye to Wonder Boom, but I'll see him soon enough. The reason why I have to get out here a little bit quicker is I looked up that rest area, or the rest area that I'm going to, and there was only like 6 spots. So if I get there, more in the afternoon, there's obviously going to be a better chance of actually getting a spot, because after that it's pretty much straight into Fresno, and then trying to get this thing turned around and all that good stuff just does not sound fun. So right now I'm debating on trying to take this exit Yes. That is insane. I actually don't know if I'll be able to pull that off. It's a little bit of a tight turn, and to get it, let's try it. Let's have to go super slow through here. That was ridiculous. Well, my GoPro keeps freezing. I don't know how much of the drive-in that actually got recorded, but it ended up freezing on me. So not completely full with water. Filled up one tank with 100 gallons, and that will slowly move over to the other tank. So I will be good to go with that for sure. Because after the bus fare, I'm heading over to Marathon, and they have water and laundry, and I can just completely fill up there. Definitely won't go through that much water within that amount of time. But heading over to the post office, getting Kobe's medicine. Got Kobe's medicine. We are now good to go. So the issue that I'm facing right now is I didn't look at the map. I didn't realize how close Pahrump is to the California border. The reason why that's an issue is I wanted to fill up here, get my diesel. I'm just above a half tank right now, but it's looking as though, I mean, when I was going through town, I did not see any gas stations that would accommodate this bus. So that is an error on my part. I should have filled up on the way here, but it was dark, I was tired, yada yada yada, excuses, but that is probably going to be around a $30 mistake on my end. But I'm guessing we're going to have some awesome views. Going to be driving through the desert, some hills. This will be the last time I'm in the desert for a while.
Well, I don't know what it is, and I'm not sure what I did, but I got a lot, yes, I got a lot to give. But the bottom of the bottle made me tremble and twitch, and I know there ain't no water that can clean my soul. Yeah, I know there ain't no water that can clean my soul.
Alright. Just made it to the dealership. There's the Element. Okay, the Element looks good. I'm going to turn around and actually park in their shop, just so I'm not shop, but dealership, so I'm not out on the road. Be some finagling, but once again, test and see how good I'm getting at driving this rig.
I said 2 words to you. You got all left the room. Well, that's what I tend to do. Just get under your skin till I rip right in and break through. And I know there ain't no water that can clean my soul. Yeah, I know there ain't no water that can clean my soul.